So hello, welcome back. In this lecture we are going to create a content inner wrapper and we will divide these into three different sections. So let's get started. Inside the content wrapper we are going to create another div. This will be the inner content wrapper. So we'll call it inner content wrapper. So inside here we will create a div for this left section. So we will say div class name will be left side wrap, and let me copy this. This will be the center and this will be the right side. So here we are going to call it right side and this will be the center wrap. So let's make a comment here. For the left side wrap we will call it left side wrap. Copy this, paste it here, and this will be the left side wrap ends. Copy this, paste it here. This will be the center wrap ends, and copy this, paste it here. Much better. And here this will be the right wrapper, right side wrap, and which ends here, and here we're going to say right side, and we remove the ends from here. So we have created the three different sections for our inner content wrapper. We have created a layout for our inner content wrapper. So the left side wrap will hold this section, and the right side wrap will hold the right section, and the center wrap will goes inside the center. So in the later videos we are going to focus on the center section. Then we are going to work on the left side, and later we are going to work on the right side. But first we are going to focus on the center wrap. That's it for now, and see you in the next lecture.